Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. And today we are going to start unit 8.3, exercise number 1, 2, and 3. And our topic is degrees of adverb. तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिग्रीज ऑफ एडवर्ब. तो एडवर्ब की कितनी डिग्रीज हैं और क्या उनके आंसर्स हैं. So now let's start degrees of adverb. Adverbs often tell us how an action was done. Adverb वो अल्फाज है जो हमें बताता है कि कौन सा एक्शन या कोई भी एक्शन किस तरह किया जाता है. Like adjectives, adverb also have 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative degrees. So जैसे adjective की 3 डिग्रीज हैं, adverb की भी 3 डिग्रीज हैं: positive, comparative and superlative. One syllable adverbs take usually ER to form the comparative degree and EST to form the superlative degree. For example, high, higher, highest. तो कोई भी एडवर्ब हो तो जब हम उसकी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री बनाएंगे तो उसमें ER ऐड करेंगे और सुपरलेटिव के लिए हम EST का इजाफा करेंगे. तो द आंसर विल बी हाई, हायर एंड हाईएस्ट. Positive, comparative and superlative degree of adverb. Now let's see. The adverbs that have 2 or more syllables usually form the comparative degree with more and the superlative degree with most. तो वो अल्फाज या वो एडवर्ब जो 2 सिलेबल्स या उससे ज्यादा सिलेबल्स पे हों तो उसमें हम कंपैरेटिव बनाने के लिए मोर का एडिशन करते हैं और सुपरलेटिव में हम उसमें मोस्ट ऐड करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, स्मूथली इज अ एडवर्ब, पॉजिटिव डिग्री, सो कंपैरेटिव विल बी मोर स्मूथली एंड सुपरलेटिव विल बी मोस्ट स्मूथली. अब स्मूथ जो वर्ड है स्मूथली, इसमें स्मूथ में आपके 2 सिलेबल्स है ना, स्मूथली. तो जो इसमें 3 सिलेबल्स हैं तो जो अल्फाज आपके 1 या 2 या 2 से ज्यादा हो तो उसमें हम ऐड करेंगे मोर एंड मोस्ट. लाइक वी कैन से ब्यूटीफुल, ये एडजेक्टिव है ना, तो इस एडजेक्टिव हम ये नहीं कहते हैं ब्यूटीफुलर, ब्यूटीफुलेस्ट, तो हम इसमें कहते हैं मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, क्योंकि इसमें इस अल्फाज में इस एडजेक्टिव में ब्यूटीफुल 3 सिलेबल्स हैं. तो इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से तो वो अल्फाज जो 2 या 2 से ज्यादा सिलेबल्स पे हों तो हम उसमें मोर और या मोस्ट ऐड करते हैं. एडवर्ब्स कैन हैव इरेगुलर डिग्रीज आल्सो. जैसे आपके एडजेक्टिव में इरेगुलर हैं तो इरेगुलर भी एडवर्ब्स में होते हैं. जैसे एडजेक्टिव में होता है गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, तो इस तरह इसमें है एडवर्ब में है बैडली, वर्ड्स, वर्स्ट. सो दिस इज द केस. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन. This is exercise number 1. You have to complete the positive, comparative and superlative degrees. There are few adverbs positive degrees are given. आपको उन adverb की comparative and superlative degrees लिखनी है. किन adverb की comparative degree है तो आपको superlative and positive लिखनी है, और किन adverb की superlative degrees हैं आपको positive and comparative degrees लिखनी है. So these are 20 adverbs. Now we have to complete this chart, and now let's see. I have complete this exercise number 1. Number 1, angrily, more angrily and most angrily. तो angrily आपका पॉजिटिव डिग्री है एंड कंपैरेटिव है more angrily एंड सुपरलेटिव है most angrily. Number 2, bravely, more bravely, most bravely. Number 3, carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Number 4, comfortably, more comfortably, most comfortably. Number 5, early, earlier, earliest. Number 6, easily, more easily, most easily. Number 7, loudly, more loudly, most loudly. Number 8, fast, faster, fastest. Number 9, gently, more gently, most gently. Number 10 is happily. It will be comparative will be more happily, and superlative will be most happily. 11th, hard, harder, hardest. 12th, probably, more probably, most probably. 13, long, longer, longest. 14, far, farther, farthest. 15, noisily, more noisily, most noisily. 16, high, higher, highest. 17, quickly, more quickly, most quickly. 18, skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. 19, truthfully, more truthfully, most truthfully. And 20th last is well, better, and best. So this was exercise number 1. Now let's move on exercise number 2. Fill the following blanks with the correct degree of adverb. आपको इन blanks में 10 blanks है, इसमें आपको correct degree of adverb use करनी है. It can be positive, it can be comparative, it can be superlative. Select an adverb from the list in exercise number 1. आपको जो एडवर्ब है वो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 में जो लिस्ट है उसमें से यूज करना है. You can use one adverb only once. Discuss your answers with your partner after both of you have completed and make changes where needed. अब इन 10 blanks में आपको जो एडवर्ब की डिग्रीज यूज करनी है वो एडवर्ब की डिग्रीज आप एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 में से सिलेक्ट करेंगे और एक एडवर्ब की डिग्री एक दफा ही यूज होगी. Now let's see, I have done and we are going to solve it. Number 1, my uncle went the farthest from his home during the recent floods. Number 2, let's see who runs the fastest in the race. Number 3, the workers protested angrily at getting low salaries as compared to long working hours and shorter breaks. Number 4, the Bolan Express is the earliest train you can take. The rest leave after 10 o'clock. Number 5, the drivers from Germany drove their cars more carefully than those from Japan. Number 6, Salim climbed higher than Fazal, but Hanif climbed the highest. Number 7, as compared to the soldiers in the first and middle rows, the soldiers in the last row fought the enemy more bravely. Number 8, Saima answered more quickly than her friends. अब इसमें मैंने अंडरलाइन नहीं किया है. Now you will see which is the adverb here or which degree is it. Number 9, newborn babies should be handled more gently than all other age groups. Number last, my father was sitting comfortably in his car and enjoying the talk show on TV. Number 8 मैंने अंडरलाइन नहीं किया. You need to underline it is more quickly. So this is exercise number 2. And now we have last exercise, exercise number 3. Work in pairs and orally complete the following passage using the correct degree of adverbs given below. You can use each word only, adverb only once. Now, this is a passage, it's a short passage, and you have to complete this passage by given adverbs. जो आपकी adverb दिए गए, well, probably, easily, loudly, happily, quickly, long, hard, carefully, noisily. Now you have to use these adverbs in this passage. Now let's see, I have done. The teacher had to shout loudly the second time before the students settled down. The reason why the students were working was noisily because they wanted more time to do the work. The teacher said that the students who finishes the most quickly would get 2 extra marks. Salim wanted to perform better than his friends because he wanted to get a scholarship. He had worked hard for his English paper and wanted to be able to do the paper more easily than he had been able to do in the previous test. He read each section carefully to avoid silly mistakes. He knew that he would probably finish well in time to be able to edit his work. He worked the longest on the writing section because he wanted to write a good essay. He submitted his paper happily when the teacher announced that the time was up. So this was the topic, degrees of adverb, and we have solved these three exercise. And if you any difficulty, आपको कोई भी difficulty हो, कोई भी आपको question हो, you can write in the comment. I will answer your queries. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.